Hey guys, Tony with Feuling. We have a new product coming out. This is a compensator spring for the early model twin cams. If you have a bike that is making a clattering sound at an idle or even when you shut the bike off, you probably have a bad compensator spring pack. One of the ways to tell if you have a bad compensator spring pack is if you put the cup up to the shaft extension and you are contacting the cup to the shaft extension, that means you have a bad spring pack. I will show you how to replace the spring pack with our spring. All you will be doing is taking a crescent wrench and bending back the tabs to relieve the pressure from the spring pack. There will be 4 springs inside of this. When you remove the spring and you get all of your springs out, the way that you will be assembling the new spring pack is you will be taking 2 of the springs as if you were eating out of a bowl. You will be dropping them in first. You will take our compensator spring and reverse it so it'll be upside down. And then you will take another 2 the same way as if you're eating out of a bowl and place that on top. What that will do is it'll create a spring pack that allows the spring to put the gap in between the shaft extension and the compensator spring cup. All right guys, so I've installed the spring in my spring cup here. Now that I am actually getting the proper gap in between the shaft extension and the cup, this will put enough pressure on the compensator so that you're no longer making any kind of noise. So as I continue, when I start this motorcycle, I should have a nice quiet primary chain case.